In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up surcharges. So we're going to navigate over to our products by clicking on products over here on the left-hand side, and then we're going to click on setup. This is going to bring us to our e-commerce settings within our setup section. And what I want to do is click on surcharges over here. Then we're going to add our first surcharge. So to do that, we just click add your first surcharge and we can start putting in the details. So this first one I'm going to say is a handling fee. And I'm going to make it a 10% value. And then I'm going to say that this is enabled and I'm going to hit save. And here we'll get more detailed settings. So again, you can edit those basic settings and you can come here to your surcharge settings and you can decide which products you would actually like for this surcharge to be applied to. So maybe not all of your products need a surcharge, but some of them do. So we want to select which ones do. And in this case, I'm going to say that I want specific products. And then I can go ahead and choose my products. So I'm going to add a couple products. And let's say that our bow tie and our dog collar and dog toy need that handling fee for whatever reason. And those have been added. I can change my availability and my subscription settings over here, but for now I'm going to leave that all alone. I can then go ahead and save those changes. And then I want to add a second surcharge. So I'm going to navigate back to my surcharges and I'm going to add a new surcharge. This one I'm going to call booking fee. And instead of a percentage this time, I'm going to make it a flat amount. And this is going to be a flat amount of $25 US. And I'm going to say that this is enabled as well. Then I'm going to hit save. And this booking fee is going to apply to all of my orders. Now, in the case of this dog shop example, it's not a very good one because you wouldn't really need a booking fee if you're selling dog products. But this is just an example to show you how the booking fee will work as a surcharge within the system when it's applied to all products. So let's first navigate. Well, I'm going to hit save. I can't remember if I saved those changes. So let's navigate back. And what I want to do is actually place an order for a couple of those products to show you how the surcharges work. So if I navigate over here to orders on the left-hand side, and I come here to my invoices and I place a new order, I'm going to click add invoice. And then I'm going to use good old Betty White, hit save. Now I want to add some products to this order. But before I do that, you'll notice that we already have our booking fee surcharge that's been applied to this order. We haven't got anything in here, but because that booking fee is applied to all products, it's applied to all orders. And that means that it's automatically applied to this invoice before we've even added any products. But let's go ahead and add a couple of those products that do have our handling fee. So it was our bow tie and we have our dog toy. And I think it was the dog collar as well. There we go. And you'll see that then we have our handling fee, which is $5 US, and that is 10% of our subtotal here, which is $50 US. So 10% of $10 US is $1. Same for dog collar, it's $3. And the same goes here for the bow tie. It's $1. So that gives us our $5 total in terms of handling fees. So that is how your surcharges are then going to be applied to your orders within the system. So it is quite straightforward. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your tax rules in the system. I'll see you there.